The matrix charging ecosystem by Alogic is one of the most versatile ecosystems to charge your devices I've ever seen. The modularity alone allows you to decide how to charge, where to charge, and even how many devices to charge. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So as I stated, the modularity of the Matrix ecosystem is what sets it apart from other 2 and 3-in-1 charging stations. The ecosystem consists of 5 different products that you can mix and match to create your own charging solution, and the first one has to be their 5000 milliamp hour battery. So as you can see, this looks like a MagSafe battery bank, but it can do a little bit more than just that. So it is a 5000 milliamp hour battery bank that charges via USB-C, and in the box you do get a USB-C cable as well as a MagSafe adhesive ring. So if you have an older iPhone, like an iPhone 11 or older, or even an Android device, you're able to put this adhesive ring on the phone or on a case to still have that MagSafe compatibility. And as a standalone charger, it charges up to 15 watts on any wirelessly charging enabled device. So you can just place this on your nightstand and use it as a nightstand charger. You can use it as a travel MagSafe charger, as well as its own charging bank, because that USB-C port also outputs up to 15 watts. So that's the first product in the ecosystem. The second is their Apple Watch charger. So this Apple Watch charger is very self-explanatory. It is an Apple Watch charger with a USB-C input on the actual end of it. It's very easy to move around. I would consider this kind of like a travel Apple Watch charger. And when you combine this with that 5000 milliamp hour battery, you can have this kind of as a nightstand charger. You plug this into the actual USB-C port on the MagSafe battery, you charge your iPhone on the MagSafe battery as well as your Apple Watch. And what's nice about this Apple Watch charger is that it's of the fast charging variety, so it will charge those compatible Apple Watches that much faster. And that just gives you a small glimpse into the modularity of this ecosystem. So now let's talk about the larger items, which is the hubs. The first one is the car charger. Now this car charger kind of also has that modularity built into it. So it is a vent charger, so you put it into whatever air vent you have, and it also has a cradle. And in that cradle is where you put the actual MagSafe battery bank, that 5000 milliamp hour battery. But you can also put your iPhone on there to wirelessly charge your iPhone magnetically as well via MagSafe. So an all-in-one device that charges not only the battery pack but your iPhone as well in the car itself is a great solution to have overall, and it charges via USB-C into that cradle. So you might start to see a familiar pattern with these kind of products going into one, because the more you buy, the more you can build on it to kind of build your own little Frankenstein custom charging solution. But the next one is a 2-in-1 matrix charger. This one is very similar to the car cradle charger, but instead of being in the car, obviously it's made for a desk or a nightstand or a kitchen or somewhere where you can place it on a surface, on an actual flat surface. So this, what makes it a 2-in-1 charger is obviously it has that same cradle technology that the car charger has that I mentioned earlier. So you can slide on the actual battery bank itself to make sure that you have your 5000 milliamp hour battery always charged up and ready to go, but also charging your iPhone on that battery bank. But then on the rear, you see a wireless charger for AirPods or any other wireless charging earbuds, and this charges up to 5 watts. But then also you might notice that there is a USB-C port on the side of it, so that is able to charge up to 15 watts any other device. So if you want to connect another iPhone or an Android device, or even let's say a tablet like an iPad, you can also charge this, because this is technically still a 3-in-1 if you consider it that way, because it does have that additional USB-C port. And then lastly, you have the big dog, which is the Matrix 3-in-1 charging solution. And again, this is all very modular and customizable to what you need. So this is exactly like the 2-in-1, but they added that Apple Watch charger that we mentioned earlier. So you can buy this in different pieces, or you can buy it as a bundle in the 3-in-1, which makes it a little bit cheaper. But basically what they do is that USB-C port that's open, they use the Apple Watch charger to put it in there and charge your Apple Watch at that fast charging speed. And what's nice about this is that if you buy it in that bundle, you do have the 3-in-1 charger, but if you want to, you can remove the MagSafe battery pack, you can remove the Apple Watch charger and take that as a travel charger, and kind of use it however you see fit whenever you need to. One thing that I do want to mention is that if you do buy those bundles, it will bring an actual cradle with an actual wireless charging pad. So what you see that comes with the actual 3-in-1 and the 2-in-1 charger is not actually a battery bank, it is just a wireless charging pad that fits into that cradle. So the battery bank is sold separately, but it does fit and is compatible. So if you want to buy that battery bank, that 5000 milliamp hour MagSafe battery bank, and then slide it into the cradle, it will work that way. But if you just buy the 3-in-1, that it does not include the battery bank. That just brings something that looks identical to it, that it acts as a charging pad itself. But that is pretty much Alogic's matrix solution, right? You have your 5 main products, you have the battery bank, the Apple Watch charger, the car charger, the 2-in-1, and then finally the 3-in-1. I love this because it lets you kind of be modular, it lets you customize what you need. Not everybody has 3 devices, not everybody has 2. Some people like to have the 2-in-1 plus the ability to maybe connect an iPad. So it fits any one of your personal needs depending on what you use, and it'll obviously work with Android devices as well. So big shout out to Alogic for partnering up with 9to5Mac on this one. I'm going to link everything down in the description below for you guys to check out, and they might even have a 20% off coupon already built into the website, so definitely jump on it while you still can before they totally sell out. But that's going to do it for this video, everybody. I'm Fernando. Thank you again for Alogic. Definitely check this out, but I'm out of here.